Hey guys, welcome back to the Rain Ladder, requested by Skulldude116, done by me, Samson Lockhart. I'm gonna try to aim for no rounds or matches lost, so... You forget who runs this place, Chang, so... Ouch. How is he sucking in water? He's wearing a mask. Man. Too easy. Now, Rain is actually one of my best characters now, because he's got a powerful combo, and I didn't even use an enhanced move, and I still did 40% damage. What kind of crap is that? But then again, I've seen Sonya without any enhanced moves, and she did about 53 or so. Okay, how is it raining in a cave? That makes no sense. Ah, who cares? It don't need to make sense. Ah. I did not mean to do that. You betrayed me! You idiot. You should not have taunted. Gives me a free advantage and you a free butt kicking. Oops. Wrong attack. Excuse me? I don't see you pulling off 11 hit combos. Ouch. Booyah! You got pwned. Booyah! Countdown. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, so Skull Dude, that was for you, buddy. And I hope you guys also enjoyed the ladder. And as always, if you did, please leave a like below, comment, rate, subscribe. It's all that fun crap, and I said comment 2 times, I don't know why, but anyway, guys, this is Samson from Samson Games saying goodbye, and good luck using rain. If you are a beginner with rain, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a dojo video for rain as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have all have an awesome day. Bye.